I just heard the Lord say, I've seen you praising in a hard season. I've seen your worship in a hard time. I've seen you praising in a hard season. The season's about to change. The season's about